In this video, we're going to go over the importance of having a website and a blog. So in the previous lessons, we talked about personal branding, getting started with freelancing, and being able to create your own resume. And so in this particular lesson here, we're going to go through why it's important for you to also have a website and a blog as well, so that you can really set yourself apart with your personal branding, so that you can really set yourself apart from the competition, right? Because you're going to have the personal branding element, you're going to have a very unique resume, you're going to have social media, right? And then having a website, having a blog is really going to take your game to the next level, because it's going to be essentially your online resume, your online persona, right? And believe it or not, a lot of people out there don't even have their own personal website or have any kind of personal branding. And so this is why it's important to be able to have your own website and be able to position yourself as that go-to expert in your field. So let's go ahead and jump into the importance of having a website. Okay, so having a website will add the extra credibility to your personal brand, right? We talked about how you can get everything set up with your social media, why it's important for you to have like LinkedIn, Instagram, and also Facebook, and be able to post different content. If you have a website as well, along with your personal brand, right, that's just going to go to the next level. So being able to have a website will really add that extra credibility for your personal brand, or for, being able to build that perception of you being an expert in your field, right? And then for a website, all you really need is a simple $10 domain, and then $5 a month hosting plan, and WordPress CMS, which is a content management solution, and then an SSL. And then all of this can be set up through Namecheap.com. Very inexpensive, like I said, $10 for a domain, which could be, yourname.com, and then the $5 a month, hosting plan there to host a website, and then building it on WordPress, and then the SSL is the security certificate as well. And then what you can do is you can purchase a website theme or template from themeforest.net. So you can go on there and look for a template that you like, and then purchase that for $30, $40. And then you can go to Fiverr and get them to set up your website just like the demo, and you'll be able to, make the different customizations according to how you want to set it up. Or you could just have them, quickly install the website and do some minor customizations. Altogether, it probably cost you about $100. However, it would be an investment that is well worth your time, energy, and resources, because it'll allow you to have that extra element to your personal branding, right? And really being able to set yourself apart from the competition out there who just has a resume with experience with nothing else, right? Another recommendation here is that you can also just go to Wix.com and also create a simple website there. That's going to be a very simple drag and drop website builder. And then if you want to also add in a blog, this allows you to write content, to write articles, and really position yourself as that expert. Like, hey, I know what I'm talking about. Here's this great piece of content. Here's this great piece of information, valuable content to the user base or anybody who's on my website. And it also gets the ability to get picked up by Google, and it shows that credibility and expertise to your visitors, right? And so just imagine that you are able to submit your application, right, your resume, to a particular job, and you have on there all your social media profiles, you have your personal website, right? Think about what that does in terms of separating yourself from the competition versus just somebody out there who has a resume with experience, right? You're really going to set yourself apart and position yourself as somebody who's not just your regular, particular individual or candidate, right? You're going to be a candidate that's one of a kind. So that's going to be here for the website and the blog lesson, and we'll see you on the next one.